First question, ma'am.
Component. What is this, beta? Briefly, essential component, rate element. We'll see later. It is not complete question. There is some print mistake. Then functions of
Yes, ma'am.
tRNA. Even A is wrongly printed here. It is not RNS. It is transfer RNA. So basically we have three types of RNAs, isn't it? So what are those? mRNA, tRNA and rRNA. So what does tRNA do? tRNA is actually transporting the amino acids from the cytoplasm to the site of protein synthesis. So what is the site of protein synthesis? We have ribosomal RNAs. So amino acids are transported to ribosomal RNA, and you will see amino acids will be allowed to get attached with the help of peptide bonds to form polypeptide chain. Anyhow, we will discuss the details of this when we do translation. Okay, the function of tRNA is to transfer the amino acids from the cytoplasm to the site of protein synthesis, that is ribosomes, ribosomal RNA. Okay, so what are the four distinct phases of cell cycle, beta? Just you can browse, just names will be given. G phase will be there. Okay, genetic code we have already done. Factors affecting iron absorption. So what are the this we can do? Niharika, you share beta. This is vitamin C is important. Acidity in the stomach is important. Okay, there are certain factors. Just check. I will just go with this DNA repair mechanism beta. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So G1 is growth. Okay. S is DNA synthesis phase. G2 growth and preparation for mitosis, and M is mitosis, cell division. So these are the four phases of cell cycle. You can just draw and just list that, you will get 3 marks. These are the four distinct phases of cell cycle. Genetic code we did, functions will like factors Niharika will be sharing.
Ma'am, should I share now?
Yeah, beta, please share. Meanwhile,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will open DNA repair mechanism. Yes. So, what are the factors affecting iron absorption? I told you we need acidity, vitamin C, ascorbic acid, alcohol, fructose, and cysteine. They all promote iron absorption. Any four factors he is asked. So, you can write acidity, one or two examples. So, iron deficiency anemia, iron absorption is increased in case of iron deficiency anemia, so that like iron production will be fast, RBC production will be enhanced. Small peptides and amino acids also favor iron uptake. Then phytate found in cereals and oxalates found in leafy vegetables, they do not allow iron absorption. They interfere with iron absorption. Okay. So four factors are enough, beta, like that you can talk. Then let me check with the DNA repair mechanism. Meanwhile, you can just read something. Repair mechanism. Major mechanism of DNA repair. So what are the like base excision repair? Base excision in the sense like we have ATGC, no? ATRGC is excised. That means if it is removed, so if such type of damage is there, damage to a single base due to spontaneous alteration or by chemical or radiation, if it is damaged due to any of these means, in our cells we have certain mechanisms which help the DNA to get repaired. So removal of base by N-glycosylase, this enzyme is repairing. A basic sugar removal and replacement is done by this N-glycosylase. That is one mechanism. Second thing is nucleotide excision repair. So nucleotide, that means adenine or guanine or cytosine or thymine, if it is getting excised or if it is like removed, so damage to a segment of DNA by it can be either spontaneous or chemical or radiation damage. So in such cases, removal of DNA fragment, the size is minus 30 nt length, and whatever part of the DNA fragment is damaged, that is being repaired and replaced. Okay, mismatch, that means instead of AT you are finding AG, instead of GC you are finding GA, something like that. So if mismatch is happening, damage due to copying errors, in such cases removal of that particular strand by exonuclease digestion and replacement. That means exonuclease enzyme is helping to remove that particular nucleotide which has come as a mismatch. Then double strand break repair, we know basically DNA is double stranded, isn't it? So suppose if that double stranded is broken down because of radiation or free radicals or chemotherapy, so it is repaired by the process of unwinding and the alignment is brought back by means of ligation. Okay, we have certain ligases enzymes helping with that. Okay beta, so I hope we are done with almost all answers now. Okay, so see you all tomorrow 8 a.m.